So we had really choppy, the market's been really choppy today, but I still was able to take a trade because when I trade I don't hold for long. It's like a short and good size trade, like right here my uh, PNL, 500 bucks, so you guys can see that I actually took a trade today. I should have recorded my trade as it was live. I'm gonna start doing that. Okay, so this is what I seen. I'll make a video in the future on what an S&P divergence is if you guys are interested in that. So we had on the S&P we had a high, a low, and a lower high. On Nasdaq we had a high, a low, a higher low, and a higher high. So that means one of them is lacking. And in what that means, so when one of them is lacking, it's because they usually move together. So what I saw is that since this one's trying to go up, but the S&P's falling down aggressively, that this one is actually lacking behind. So that was already one good sign for me to take a trade. After the S&P divergence, we saw that they were lacking, and I was like, okay, which one is trailing behind? I believe it's the Nasdaq because it had the higher high. Even though the S&P's falling down, the Nasdaq was trying to go up, but it's gonna continue following. So I'm okay, we're going shorts. And then as you can see on the Nasdaq, it started finally going shorts, and it broke structure right here, broke this structure, and then but I couldn't get an entry because it just kept dumping right after the break structure just goes down, went down, and I'm like, all right, let me check the S&P. S&P, we broke structure right on this candle right here, broke the structure, and then we went up. We had a retracement, so I'm like, okay, perfect. So on this candle right here, this little white one, I took 2 contracts. I sold, shorted right here. Stop loss was right here for $500, and my take profit was right here for $500. And as you can see, we smacked it with this huge bearish candle, and that was it. This trade was open for 2 minutes. It was a 2-minute trade, and I made 500. Well, I didn't make because this is a funded challenge, but hopefully I'm gonna pass soon. And yeah, that was my trade for today. If you guys are interested in what an S&P divergence is, let me know.